Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. Have some more late night deals for you. We're going with the tool deals in this video. A lot of eBay. We're going to do a little Amazon as well. Some amazing deals over on Amazon. I told you about the 20% off promo code on eBay. Found some sale items that we can use the promo code with to get some really amazing discounts. Your favorite brands. We got some Milwaukee. We got some DeWalt. And the microphone should sound better today. Now, when I did my testing, sounded good, very quiet. I'm going to run it through an editor and jack up the volume, which will probably make it turn to shit. But hey, I tried. It's trial and error, okay? So let's get into these eBay deals. First off, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 5 amp hour hacksaw kit. It's $199.20 when you add it to your cart and you use their promo code SAVE for July 4th. It's going to be $199.20, and this item actually comes with free shipping as well. So you get a fuel tool, you get the 5 amp hour battery. It's a kit, so there's a charger too. High value battery. Probably one of people's favorite of the Milwaukee tools, the little one-handed reciprocating saw there. Now if we look at some comparables, Home Depot $299, Acme Tools $299, so you're saving yourself $100 right now on eBay. This is through factory authorized outlet, I believe, which is an official Milwaukee distributor, so you'll get the full warranty and everything with purchases through them. And by the way, everything is in stock as of like 6 to 9 o'clock when I was looking these up tonight. They might not be in stock by the time you see this, but they were in stock when they were posted earlier tonight. We have the Milwaukee M12 Subcompact Bandsaw Kit. So again, kit coming with the battery and the charger. It's going to be $151.20. Now this time we have to add $8.95 for a shipping charge. I know, total bummer, but we're saving us some money. Home Depot $199, Max Tool $199, Acme Tools $269. So $50 cheaper over on eBay right now. By the way, all the links are going to be down below. Everyone's favorite pack out. Rolling tool chest, dual stack top. This one's going to be $151.20 plus shipping. Look at these comparables. Everybody else $229. It's like rolling luggage for men. Got a Holddozer. Look at the prices on this thing. This was pretty crazy. Milwaukee Holddozer, general purpose, bi-metal. We're not going to hold it against it. Hole saw kit, 17 piece, $53.59. Again, the $8.95 shipping charge. But look at these, $117.97 from everybody else. That's a huge discount. We like it. Speaking of things we like, Supreme Court, good decision today. Give them a little golf clap on it. Milwaukee Shockwave 3/8" drive, SAE 6-point socket set, 12-piece set, comes with a handy dandy case, $34.39. Boy, that whisper was almost like a creepy ass Joe Biden whisper. I'll try not to do that again. At least I didn't do it from the bushes. Did you see him today calling over the little kids while he was hiding behind a wall in the bushes? Yeah, that's exactly what I think of Joe Biden anyway. $34.39 with our promo code there, $8.95. $67.89 at Home Depot. And Acme Tools is $70, half the price of Acme Tools. Here we go. A gas weed whacker. When's the last time we had a deal on a gas weed whacker? They're all cordless now. But if you like gas, we have the 27cc 17" for $154.39. It's going to ship free, which is really nice because something like that could be expensive to ship. I guess from a third-party eBay seller perspective, I just look at that and think, damn, that would cost me a lot to ship. Home Depot $199.99, CPO $199. You know, as I was sitting here getting ready to do this video, I was looking through Pluto TV to find something to watch when the video wraps up and everything, and I saw beach tennis. I had high hopes. To be honest, the outfits, they're a letdown. A little disappointed. Milwaukee M12 4 amp hour red lithium XZ starter kit, only $39.20. $39.20. Now, you know the rule. Whenever we're looking at batteries, our goal, and we can't always hit this goal, is to pay $10 per amp hour of battery. That's kind of like the gold standard. Well, this, you're at that price point. Of course, you got to add in shipping, but you're also getting a charger with it. So, really good deal, $39.20 for the starter kit. If we look at the comparables there, Home Depot, twice the price at $79. Even worse at Acme Tools with $99. And then here's the original post I made a couple of days ago, just announcing the sale. So this is supposed to go through, just July 4th? July 5th. Yeah, okay, I can read. I can read my own stuff. I wrote it 2 days ago. You think I'd remember? So this goes through the 5th. You have several days, but things are going to sell out. A couple of these things were already limited stock, but really good deals. Hundreds of Milwaukee and DeWalt things, so if you're looking for something specific, give it a search, see if you can find it in there, and you'll be all ready to go. Now, let me hit you with some Amazon deals if you don't mind. Let's see, where are we at on that? Only 6 minutes, we're doing good. We got the DeWalt 20 volt max tire inflator. Normally on my desktop computer the monitor is wide enough that you guys never even see this little box, but I can look at it the whole time, and that's my cough button. See what I mean? See what I mean there? Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. So we got the DeWalt 20 volt max tire inflator, compact and portable, automatic shutoff, LED light. This is a bare tool, no battery, no charger. Lots of reviews, 8,900. It's currently selling for $104.26. Max Tool has it for $119. Not bad, but you're gonna have to add shipping to that. And then Home Depot $139 and Acme Tools $139. Have the 20 volt cordless impact wrench half-inch drive by Eastvolt. Now we saw this a couple of days ago, but I saw another promo code for it, so I re-upped it. We won't have to go too much into it. It is a brushless tool. You're getting a 4 amp hour battery, so really good value. 50% off, normally $100. Going to be $49.99 free shipping for, well, everybody at that price point. 300 watt solar street light, outdoor, waterproof, 6500K, 30,000 lumens, maybe. Outdoor LED street light with the dusk to dawn sensor. LED wide angle lamp by A Zone. It is 60% off, normally $99.99, down to $39.99 for the big ass street light. Comes with the pole. Mount it to anything you want. I actually had one of these. I think it was actually this exact brand. They sent me a couple for free, and had it bolted to a tree in my backyard. Storm came through, knocked the whole tree over. The tree landed on the light, bent up the pole and everything. And I went out there in the middle of the night. Of course, at this point, I didn't know the tree was on the ground. I saw a light on the ground. I thought, that's weird. I don't have lights on the ground. Tree fell over, fell on the light. The light still worked. Big ass tree fell on it, still worked. I was like, damn, that's some good construction right there. Makita Impact Gold 19-piece titanium drill bit set. Handy dandy case, only 11 bucks. I don't know how long it's going to land at that price or stay at that price, but that's really good for that set. So Home Depot, a little bit more at $15.87, and then Acme Tools $22.99. We got the Craig Crosscut Station. Versatile circular saw guide. Deliver miter saw results from 0 to 45 degrees with this 12-inch cutting tool. It is currently $19.99 on Amazon. $19 at Acme Tools. The problem is they're going to charge you a $5.99 shipping charge. And then Home Depot is $49 and Lowe's currently $59.98. Hey, by the way, since we're talking about Acme Tools here, remember the post last week? I told you guys I got that amazing deal. It was a $500 toolkit, and I paid $109. It was supposed to be delivered on the 26th. I never got a shipping notification, and on the 26th, I got an email from Acme Tools that they canceled the order. Bastards. Thought I'd throw that in there because, you know, people really like to shit on Northern Tool and Lowe's for canceling orders. I've never had Northern Tool cancel an order of mine. I have had Lowe's cancel an order or two, but I think this was the second time that Acme Tools has canceled an order on me. So, just letting you know, they are all capable of being bastards. $9.99 for the Craig Portable Crosscut. This is a versatile crosscut circular saw guide. 45 or 90 degree crosscuts up to 8 inches wide with this cutting tool. It's $9.99 for this one. Acme Tools, same deal, $9 but plus the $5.99 shipping charge. And Home Depot, $19. Bosch has the 4-piece carbide tipped glass, ceramic, and tile drill bit set. This one we've seen a couple of times on sale. $8.98. $10.77 at Home Depot, but they're out of stock. Zorro, $17. Tool Up, $17. So about half price over at Amazon. This one I thought was pretty interesting. So this is the airless paint sprayer, high efficiency, thinning free, minimum overspray, home exterior and house interior. It's interesting, home exterior and house interior. Is that typically how it's worded? That when it's exterior you say home and when it's interior you say house? I've never thought about that before. It might just be a Chinese thing, but I don't know. Painting projects with paint sprayer accessories by InnoCraft Max Prey. It's 40% off. Now this is a new item. They actually have two versions. There's no reviews, which is kind of scary on an item that's a little expensive. $249.99. We have a 20% promo code and a 20% coupon. Now here's the deal. It's hard to tell with these brands what the overlap is and who exactly is related to who. It's very incestuous and it's hard to untangle the web. But the same people who send me like Augtuff and Toolant and I'm trying to think what their other brands are. Anyways, and those are like established brands that have been around for a couple of years and they have a lot of products. Whether you like them or not, they have a lot of products, and generally I would say they have better reviews than you know, bad. I mean, overall good. Anyways, same people sent me this as well. Does that mean it's the same? I don't know if that's actually an employee of those companies or if it's just like an agent who, you know, tries to promote their products. So I don't know if it's worth anything at all to you, but it's the same people. 4G LTE cellular trail camera includes SD and SIM card. It's kind of nice that it comes with the SIM card because otherwise you gotta buy that separately. And this is actually the company of the SIM card that I've had in the past for previous cameras that I've done. Let's see, it comes with 300, I'm guessing that's megabyte free trial data. So here's the thing, is you're going to get 30 days probably, or 300 megabytes of free data on this. You're only going to use the data up when you're like doing a live view on your phone, or I guess computer, of the camera. But if you want to still be able to connect to the app, you're going to have to continuously pay like a monthly fee. And they have a website. If you type this into Google, I bet their website would come up and you could see what the plans cost to continue it. The one I have, after they gave me a free month when I had to do the video on, it wasn't this brand, I don't know what the brand was. They gave me a free month though. And I never re-upped it after that or paid for anything. The camera still works, it's just you can't use the internet, you know, you can't view it over the internet. Anyway, this thing is $249.99, but we have a Prime member discount. Let me check what that is for you. So for Prime members, this is going to be $189.99. Then you're going to take the $30 off, so it's that $159.99. And then you're going to take 15% off of $189.99 and take that off of $159.99. Whatever the hell that comes to, that's what you end up paying if you are a Prime member. So it does have the solar panel to keep it charged. It's kind of nice in an area where if you don't have internet, you don't have power, you can still use it. Here we have the angle grinder, 12 volt mini angle grinder by G Vorks. Comes with 2 discs. Kind of has the Milwaukee M12 battery style going on here. It's 25% off, normally $36.99 for a 12 volt tool. It's just a coupon on the page, no promo code. Not too bad. Not sure how much I would trust it to hold up, but for lighter duty stuff, it looks pretty small and compact, lightweight, so it could have some advantages. Alright guys, I think that's where we're going to wrap it up here. Mostly wanted to share with you those eBay deals, because that's a really good promo code. Anytime you can take 20% off, and there's not really like exclusions, it's just a mass amount of items. And there was other stuff besides tools. Obviously, I'm only looking at the tool stuff really, but one of the links I'll include down below will be the entire sale if you want to check out other product categories. But a lot of times, like let's say Acme Tools right now, they have a 10% promo code for their 4th of July sale, and it excludes anything that has another promotion already going. Tool Nut has 15% off Milwaukee tools right now, but I spent way too long going through their website, looking up deals, and anything that looked like it was a good price, then the 15% didn't stack with that. So 20%, and it includes things that are already at a sale price, you can really do some damage there. All the links will be down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.